was there. I witnessed it. I saw a lot of celebrities. I saw a lot of people. It went well. When the share buy endurance buy Kwesi official. Just say one ko show ni bia wa yo ho. Say one ma show no bia. Flake buy a lot of musicians pulled up to surprise her because when you say she's a mother of all musician bia ba so ya coming so ho dada say obonyum na emfa so boy ya fa so obonyum atwam obi pass through the show no. It was only right. Seeing you support no. She's an amazing person, and the story no, it was solid from the characters, from the storyline, from the production, from the directors, and it was massive. I loved every bit of it. And now the bouncer no. Now your boy be crowd was here just said. Her Excellency Maya Yawa say movie now there but waboka na waye into nobody should video the movie and post it anywhere. Obi kwatena ase ho na oye live. Obi kwatena theater ho e ho na ode na phone na TikTok live e na o ma fa ne ho anche na o mo yire ne pam so ne panchi se wo mna na o mekirem die ntina obi aboka atwe nipa ka abeye movie na wo mo ye sade no na nyagro. It was an eyesore movie ne year fine from premiering from red carpet 3 shows ni nyina na nyagro all the 3 of course sold out shows ni me nyina nipa behweye. I loved it. This was beautiful. The outcome was massive. Everybody came out in their numbers to support her. Ghana ya dia efe. Ghana ya dia efe ankasa.